That's a fish. That's a better fish.
Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while, the rivers have been an absolute mess with all the weather, and yeah, I've only just managed to get back out properly. So today's session, what we're going to be doing, we're going with the micro cranks today. They're like 3mm, tiny little things, just down at a weir, and we're going to try catch a few chub, trout, perch, whatever we can get our hands on. I'll show you later on what we're using, but yeah, let's get straight to it because I don't have long. I have about 2 hours before work, so yeah, let's go.
Fish. First day fish on, it's just a tiny little perch. It's very lively. There we go, little tiny perch. I'm just keeping a high rod tip and just slowly bouncing it back. That's a fish. That's a better fish. I think that might be a chub. It's giving head shakes like a chub. Oh no, it's a nice perch. That is a nice perch. Yeah, we got him. Well, that is a nice perch. Oh, that's a 2 pounder at least. That is a 2 pounder at least. I'll just get him out at net and we'll take a closer look at him. That's a better perch, is that? Oh wow, what a fish that is. We'll get a measurement on her and we'll take a closer look. That's a nice fish, is it? Alright, we'll just let him rest for 2 seconds. So guys, that was a really nice perch. Second cast I think it was. I'll just get a measurement out to a quick measure of her and we'll get a closer look. But yeah, really nice fish that. I'll quickly show you her again. We'll get a measurement and get her back. Wow, whoop, caught her. Wow, what a fish that is. That's a beast. There she is. Deep-bodied fish. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Summer fish as well. I think it's about 2.5, 3. It's got a good weight to her. We'll just quickly measure it. 45 on the dot. Yeah, wow, what a fish. Well, look at that. I couldn't have caught a small fish if I tried. There you go. A pristine little perch. Get him a nut and get him back. Look at that tiny thing. I saw that chasing. Fish on. Little perch. There we go. Just land that. There you go. Nice little perch. Fish on. Another little perch. A bit better. Nice little palm fillet. There you go. Again, absolutely slammed it. Get him unhooked and get him back. That's what I'm using. Tiny little micros. Another tiny perch. Fish on. Yeah. And a nice chub. Not a bad chub. There you go. Lovely fish. There he goes. Fish on. Yeah, that's another nice perch. Yeah. Another nice perch. Nowhere near as big as last one, but it's a nice one all the same. Yeah, hooked right in the lip. Easy unhooking. Whoop. Away he goes. Fish on, little chub. Nice little chub on the Countdown Elite. Very lively fish. There we go. Lovely little fish. Get him back. Fish. Another perch. Fish on. Hey. Hopefully I can get away with swinging this one in. There we go, on countdown elite. Fish on! Oh, it's a little trout. Brownie. Gorgeous little brownie. Thanks for watching again, guys. Really appreciate it. Not a bad session. I say session. It were over 2 days, I think, last week. About 3.5 hours in total. We picked up a few fish on micros. That's all we're out for doing in the morning, just getting as many bites as we can, and usually scaling down always guarantees you fish. And we had that nice 45 as well. That were really nice conditioned fish, especially for summer. So yeah, not really much else to say. I'll try and get as many more videos out as I can when I can. The mornings are getting shorter now, the sun's coming up later, so these morning sessions might be a bit harder to get in, but we'll do our best and see what happens. Yeah, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.